one, microphone please. So we're going to do this in order from number 1 to number 10. Okay, so let's we'll cover number 1. Please come here. Pick one question. Would you like to read the question? Or si Tito na lang magbabasa? Ano lang? Okay. The question runs this way. Apologizing. The situation is apologizing. Have you ever accidentally hurt someone's feelings? How did you apologize and make